Good morning, everybody. It's Sunday, February 5th.
And
we got a
chicken run
from Amazon, and we're going to try it. You know, you can never tell about Amazon stuff. If it's cheap, if it's good, if it's bad. You just have to take your chances on their stuff sometimes. But I got, it's like a 9'6" by 19'6". I call it a 10 by 20.
Yeah.
Chicken run. So we're gonna unbox it, and there's the big old box.
And it is heavy.
Yep, about 150 pounds. We like to die carrying it around here from the backyard. So y'all stay tuned for the. We're not gonna show you the unboxing. We're gonna unbox it and read the directions first.
Yes.
So y'all stay tuned. Hello, ladies and gents. Come on, chick. Where's everybody at? We put this stand in there yesterday. Found it useful for them to get up off the ground if they want. I'm gonna put some 5-gallon chicken nests in there today, probably, if we get a chance. They're all hiding underneath there. They don't want to come out. Oh well. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Where are y'all?
Come on.
You should have had the bag, Goofus.
Come on. Come on.
There y'all are. Y'all being lazy this morning. Hello, Mama. Hello, Daddy. You gonna make them all come out here? Chick. I know there's a bunch more, y'all. There they come. Well, so far right off the bat, it's not, the poles are not as big as I thought they were going to be, as far as heavy duty. Maybe 1 inch. And all the bolts were spilled out in the box, so I doubt if they're all there. We did find the directions.
Yeah.
So let's see if we can get this thing figured out.
Okay, so a little update. We're taking the parts out and setting them out to where they need to be. And we got to the start of the coop, and instead of cutting this area off, he took and drilled through each side and ran the pipe this way over here to the other side. So we got to get that set up and into the ground, and then start working our way this way. So be back in a minute. Okay, so what we're going to be doing now is putting together all of the posts.
Hey, that one, or will it not?
No.
It's not gonna pass.
Mm-mm.
Move it over some more. Okay, that should pass.
So luckily these things have the little push together.
The snap together.
Yeah, snap together. That's what they're called. Snap togethers. There we go. Okay, so what we're doing now is we're putting in for the center post and starting on the upgrade of the roof part. So
okay guys, the frame's almost finished. It's getting hot out here. We're gonna take a break. I'm gonna put some shorts on.
yes.
We'll be right back. Okay guys, the frame's together. Now we're gonna try to figure out how to do the door. And look who showed up. Little Miss Autumn. Say hi.
Hi.
she's here to help. So let's try to get this door figured out, woman.
Yes.
Duh.
Yeah. Yeah. That's the ticket.
It don't have nothing labeled, so. I think that's a trap. Oh,
Okay, this
it
is D7.
Oh, okay, it is. Well, we got it together, but we cannot screw it together until we get it over there and inset it in place, then screw it all together. And we'll see. We are short one nut, guys. Brandy thought that was fun.
With the way that you said it.
Wonder how I found it.
I'm not a nut.
Okay. No, I ain't got no nut.
Oh.
I'm gonna have to go find a nut, so I'll be back. Oh well, gotta go with a smaller boat, but it's got a nut and I got a flat washer, so I'll have to make it work.
Hang on, honey bunny.
Okay, we got the frame up, we got the door in. Now we're gonna put the wire around the bottom. And that we're gonna call it a day because we got her live at 3 o'clock and it's a little after 1 already. Or we try to get a pass around the bottom.
So we can at least let the girls out and try it out and see how they like it.
Yep. And get cleaned up for live and do nothing else the rest of the day because we got court in the morning.
Yes. Yay!
Hey, so we're gonna get that knocked out. We're gonna show y'all.
We'll be back.
Back.
Hey everybody, so we got the first pass pretty much on, so this is all that we're gonna do today. We went on ahead and let the girls out and the guy out so that they can get a feel for it, see how they like it.
It'll get some sunshine.
Yeah, the new girls didn't know what to think. I think it's their real first time to ever really be out and about.
They were scared.
Yeah. So, and Autumn's in here with me. And of course Charlie's on the outside for right now, but that's okay.
I'm done. You need to do your bottom half, and I'm done for today. We gotta go do our live.
Yes, we gotta go get ready for our live.
I'm all nasty. Need to go take a shower.
Yeah. Let me take that.
Hi, you got your chickens out. Autumn, tell her hi.
Hi.
She's a little bit scared of them. But them Rhode Island Reds are pretty nice chickens. They seem to be afraid of everybody.
Yeah.
But they're starting to enjoy being outside
Yeah, they are.
in the sun. They need sun. It don't get too much sun in that chicken
It's
coop.
okay. They're not gonna hurt you. So this is the first day of it, and hopefully the next time we get it going again will be either this week or next weekend. We'll be able to get the whole thing finished. All we have left to do is just put the chicken wire around everywhere and then put the roof on. So that shouldn't take
I don't even know if it needs a roof since they got their coop over there.
Yeah.
They can go in and out.
Yeah.
We'll see. I heard sun is good for them and it helps them lay eggs.
Yes. I've heard the same thing.
So hopefully these reds start laying eggs pretty soon.
Yeah.
Old Winifred, she lays an egg every other day, so she's doing good.
Yeah.
Her and her blue eggs.
I got it.
You pet it?
Yeah.
She got to pet it.
I got it.
You petted it?
Yeah.
Yeah. She let me touch her, but they are pooping everywhere.
You gonna try to pet Daddy? I
Oh,
don't know if that's
no,
gonna
don't
work.
Pet Daddy. Don't pet Daddy.
Why?
Because I don't know if he will let you.
Well, he probably won't let you, but he's never pecked anybody. So, this is another one from Pafford Homestead
Be gentle.
with the chickens.
You did it
Bye, y'all.
again.